Hello YouTube, this is Edgemaster. I know it's been like months since I got to 100 subscribers, but you know, it's summer and I've been sleeping most of the time. But okay, let's get to this epic level. So today we're doing Happy Wheels and we're making a level that's gonna be really cool because a few days ago I was trying to see if I could make a gaming video for my 100 subscriber special. And I was thinking about downloading PUBG on my PC, but turns out it wasn't compatible, and it was being very unepic. But then I thought to myself, I could make a level on Happy Wheels that's just like PUBG, and maybe even better. So today, we're going to find out if that works. I'm going to make an awesome level, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a vehicle in Happy Wheels with the jets on it. So here we go. First I'm gonna make the ground, make sure it's interactive and fixed. We can just make it, yeah, whatever, we can just make it this color. Okay. So we're gonna test that out by clicking T. Okay. Now, if you wanna make a vehicle, you're gonna have to, let's just force the character and hide the vehicle. And then you can upload this level once you're done to Happy Wheels. And then if people like it, you know, you could get famous for it. It's just gonna be, that would be pretty cool. Okay, let's just make the ground. Okay. Let's make the ground take up the whole map. Perfect. Now, this is going to be a very epic level because I wanted to make my 100 subscriber special probably a PUBG Let's Play, but you know, since that didn't work, I'm probably going to make a level that's kind of like PUBG, but a bit different. Okay, now we just need one more of these things. Perfect, okay. Now that we have the floor finished, okay, now we can make the vehicle. And to make the vehicle, first we should just grab one of these shapes. 500, is 500 good? Let's make it 400. 400. This isn't going to be an ordinary vehicle. This is going to be a much more epic vehicle. Okay, now to make the vehicle, we have to unfix it. And when something's fixed, that means it just stays in place. So, okay. Let's do this. Let's make this a bit smaller. 250. Okay. So how's everybody else's summer going? I want you guys to comment in the comment section how your summer's going, because summer's epic, isn't it? I'm doing literally nothing this summer. It's been kind of cool. Okay, now that we have the basic shape of the vehicle, like this. Yeah, let's just make it like that. Yeah, just like that. And now I don't want this old dude to just be, yeah, it'll kind of hurt if he isn't in one place. So I'm gonna like, yeah, force him into this box. I'm gonna make a box for this dude. There we go. There's the. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's just a box, you know. Okay. Now, I'm gonna. Let's make a cool. Let's give this vehicle a cool wall. Now this one, it can't be interactive. Now interactive means it can touch things. So this would be like, yeah. 400. Let's give it a different color. Yeah, that's good. And no Happy Wheels vehicle is complete without some cool text on it. So let's put something. Okay. We're gonna put all caps Libtard Destroyer. Here we go. That's a good idea. So like that. Like that. $50. Okay. Let's move this guy out of the way, and we're going to group these items. Perfect. And make sure it's foreground so you can't see the guy when he's inside. Okay. Fixed on that. Okay. Okay, so now that we have the vehicle and the guys in it, let's add the jets. Yeah, we can just add one because these are pretty powerful. And then you have to put the joints on it. Now this is the thing that keeps the jet on the vehicle. And now set as vehicle. And the space bar, if you see here 2, any jets attached to the vehicle with joints will fire. So set 2. Now that we have that ready, let's test it out. You see this? So now you just have to click space, and it does that. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. So now, we don't forget to add a finish line at the end of every level, so you can win the level. Okay, how many shapes do I have left here? I have 887. It's not too bad. Now, if we want to make this really epic, we'll add arrow guns to this vehicle. Don't make it fixed, and don't shoot the player, and let's make it, yeah, okay. And let's attach it with joints. And now, let's add the people. Now that's the most important thing, because I wanted this level to be really, really epic. So characters. Okay, hold pause. Character type. Okay. Now let's see how this turns out. So I had to take out some of these, but it's fine now. It was freezing and stuff. So how about control any arrow guns added to the vehicle with joints will shoot. Okay, so let's, if you click control, this thing will fire. Okay. So now what we have here is a guy standing here, and we have a car. Okay. Look at this thing. Look at how beautiful this thing is. And I click control, and look. Oh, okay, you can stop firing. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so it works beautifully, doesn't it? Just like PUBG, but even better because it's in Happy Wheels. So now what we're gonna do to make this level even better is we're gonna add more people. Okay, now I've added a lot of people to this thing. As you can see here, I don't know if that's gonna be enough, but let's just try it out now. Here we go. Ah. It's going. Oh, okay, that's nice. What? Oh, my dude just died. Okay, let's try that again. Let's go a bit slower this time. Watch this. Watch this. Words can't explain how epic this is. Ooh, get no scoped. Get no scoped. Okay, let's go a bit slower. Oh no, oh no, I just I'm about to get crushed. Oh my gosh, my head fell off. That was an epic fail right there. Let's try that again. Okay, let's try that again. But first, I think I should add more people here. That would make it much better. Okay, so let's add some more people here. Okay, now that I've added more people to this map, and I made a really cool car, I want to warn everybody that this might be offensive to some people. And now, if you find this offensive, just go home, okay? We don't need people like you on my YouTube channel. Oh. And if you're already home, then just stop being such a normie, okay? Don't get offended by this. This is... People play video games like this every day, okay? Look at how I'm no-scoping all these people. This is awesome. And if you think this isn't awesome, then you're on Epic, okay? Oh yeah, I think I just died. Wow, that was worth it though. And once I upload it to Happy Wheels, I'll see if anybody can actually make it through this thing, because this is really cool. Okay, now that we have this really cool vehicle and a really cool place here filled with people, we're gonna put the finishing touches. Level options. Let's just give the background a nice purple, yeah, something like that. So then when you test it out, now we have a purple background. Nah, that doesn't look, it doesn't, purple doesn't look good for that. Let's make it red. Yeah, red background is always pretty cool. Here we go. Oh, I'm already hanging out of the car. Oh my gosh, why am I... What did my body exit? Sorry. Okay, that was really cool. Okay, let's end that. Okay, so now that we have such a cool level, which is pretty much done. Yeah, I don't think it has to be that good. It doesn't have to be perfect, I guess. But you know, we'll see if anybody can actually finish this level. That's the cool thing, because then you can publish this level. Save level. Level name. Okay. Now that we're about to upload this, I named it Get No Scoped, because that's what this game is all about. Because you see here we have this arrow gun that you can no scope people with. Because I'm so awesome, I didn't even put a scope in this level. You just have to no scope people. And that's why only awesome people can make this level. And then I put subscribe to Edgemaster for the behind the scenes of this epic level coming out very soon. So let's save it. And now we can publish it to Happy Wheels, where everybody can play it. And then we'll see if anybody can actually do this level. And then your level was successfully published. It should appear in the region. Okay, perfect. Here we go, browse levels. Okay, fellas, my level is now on Happy Wheels. Okay, YouTube, it has been about a few hours since I uploaded this level, and looks like nobody has made a replay on it. So nobody's good at no-scoping. Come on, guys, I thought you were better than this. And 3 other people other than me rated this level, and it's now at an average of 2.25 out of 5 stars, which is the worst rating on any one of my levels. So it looks like this was just too epic for them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this epicness. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial epic video 100 subscriber special thing. And yeah, have a good day, everybody.